Good morning, everybody. Today we are back to the Yacht Club because our ship departs from here. Well, it's actually a boat, and we are going to an island. So since the captain is going to be here, we are going to get the temporary permit to go through the Yacht Club and board the ship or the boat. So we are going to board there, but our captain is delayed, so we are still waiting. As you can see, many people are ready for the day. You can see the bags there. So yeah, we need to wait. This guy should have arrived at 9, but it's almost 10 and he's not here, so yeah, I don't know. Many people anchor there and they will depart. Our ship is probably really close to that one or that one. Probably most like this one. I'm not entirely sure. Oh yeah, and let me show you where we're going. We're going to that island there. I really hope that's the guy. The idea is to go there someday. They are refueling.
Deitado, a gente não tem que ficar em pé retinho, para não deitar.
So we are still trying to get fuel. As you saw, there's really little, so we are going around looking for a fueling station. So yeah, I'm just waiting until they refuel the boat. That's a favela or an invasion. The sun is terrible, by the way. I can feel how it's burning my skin, even though I have the sunscreen. Yeah. Let me show you how the refueling station looks. I was told that a boat like that can load 200 liters and one like that about 2,000 liters of fuel. Quite impressive. And we are finally leaving. I saw that there was some tall building and then I checked on Google and yeah, that was the proof that there was a bar. So I'm going to see if I can chill there for a bit. I didn't want to get into the water, so I stay for a bit in the boat, but the problem is that the boat is moving too much and I'm getting dizzy. So yeah, this is going to be nice. So bad luck. It was full of people. There was definitely a bar, but it was full of people and it was a bit rustic. Nothing where you could take a shower. I mean, you can take a quick shower outside, but don't expect anything else. And you can also clean your feet and have a quick snack, but all the tables were full. So yeah, I'm going back. Oh, and there were some toilets, but they didn't look that nice. So yeah, I don't know what other people do. Those boats, I can promise you, they don't have a toilet inside. They have to go somewhere. If you go number 1, maybe you can do it on the sea, but if you need to go number 2, yeah, I don't know. Maybe the bushes. So yeah, I had enough. The sun is so strong, so I asked my group to drop me off at the yacht club, and they would continue. They were just going to go to the water a bit longer, and then they would return. So I decided to just go back to the apartment and just cool down and relax for a bit. The walk under the sun is burning me. It's terrible. Not even the sunscreen is helping me. So we're looking at the prices, but they are fucking expensive. Almost $10 for some snack. A sandwich costs the same as a snack. So yeah,
Yo me la puedo rebancar, pero si...
tourist trap. We ordered this one, but it's about $20 US. Fucking expensive. And we ordered this one, which is about $3 US. ¿Una pizza?
Para alemán. Para alemán.
Para comer acá para abajo.
Si quieren en la mesa.
Nos dijeron que pegamos y después vayamos a sentarnos afuera.
Sí, abajo ya les va para allá. Y nosotros no tenemos nada. Solo se le pone para allá. Si quiere comer aquí, se puede sentar.
No, abajo.
Abajo, ¿no? Hay para eso.
Ah, ok. Ah, la podemos comprar para llevar y la comemos abajo.
Sí, eso. Se puede, se quiere. Ahí yo tengo guantes, se puede poner los guantes y comer los guantes.
Sí.
¿Fuera? ¿Salida? ¿Salida? Me quisieron pasear y le dije nada. Y Santi haciendo tipo... They clean the beach at night. It smells terrible.